Hello children, welcome back to your art classes, and in today's video we will learn an activity, and we will learn in this activity to how to make a pop-up card. And we required all this material, as you can see here, 3 pastel sheets of green color, pink or red you can take, and a black color, and 2 eyes of white color. I have taken in oval shape, and Fevicol, a black marker, pencil and a scissor and a scale. So let's just start with the activity. So first we have to take green and pink pastel sheet, and you have to place them equally one above other and fold it like this. And make a line with the scale here. And just cut it out. I will tell you later, but we will going to do out of these two things. And let's just first make a pop-up card. So you require a green sheet like this, and just fold it, take it like this, take a scale and again a pencil. Place your scale in the very center and just till the 7 centimeter mark a line and cut it out. Okay, and now you have to fold them like this. Nicely fold them. Like this. And now open your card. Fold it like this. And you have to fold the cutted part in from the inside. With the fingers. Yes, and just press it with your fingers. So now we get a mouth like shape, and we're going to make a frog out of this. Let's see how to make a frog. Now we have to add the pink sheet. But we're going to, out of this pink sheet, we're going to paste it like this. Use a Fevicol on the 4 sides of the pink pastel sheet. just paste it. Let it dry first. Once it will get dry, you can open it like this. You have get a base like a mouth here, and just hold a black marker and make his eyes. Big eyes you have to make, because we are making a frog. And again you have to paste this white cuttings. I have already cutted it, and just paste it like this. And make his eyes again over it. Okay, and let's see what we are going to do with the pink sheet. Two cuttings we have cut it first. Let's take a pink one, fold it half, cut it from the center, again take a scale and a pencil and just mark a line like this and cut this part. Roll it over a pencil. You can write any message above it as a surprise, and we're going to just paste it like this. Again take a Fevicol and paste it here. You can paste it a bit tilted and let it dry, and hold that green part we have cut it out. We have to fold it till here and let's see how to make his legs. Take it part on the side and fold it half. You have to draw a shape like this and then cut it. Cut it from this part also like this. You will get a shape like this, and we're going to paste it over here. You can outline it also. You can use a green marker also here. And just paste it out here. And before pasting, let's just mix the one other two legs. Just hold it again, fold it, and make his legs like this and cut them. and we will paste them like from the center, this part, and hands like this. Again you can outline it with the green marker. If you don't have green, you can go with the black also. Move to the black sheet, and you can cut a small part out of this. And now just fold it once again. And I'm using a white pen, you can go with the pencil also. And just cut it out. And now you can open it, and you have to paste your Fevicol above it, and you can paste it like I have already pasted one, and you can paste it like this here. And our pop-up card is ready. You can try it at your home and share your reviews with me. I hope you liked the video. Thank you everyone.